This video is going to review the terminology used in EvaluWise and how it refers to commonly used terminology in most school settings. So first, if you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you've got various tabs. So you have your teachers, evaluations, rubrics, etc. So your teachers can obviously either be teachers or other staff members. So this could be administrators or support staff whom you want to evaluate using EvaluWise. So that's the terminology there. Teachers could be any staff member. Evaluations, these are going to be all of your observations. So you've got the green notebook for the formal observation. In EvaluWise, it's going to be termed evaluation. So the green notebook would be termed evaluation. If you click Add New, you'll see evaluation. That's going to be a formal observation, and it's going to be referred to with a green notebook. You'll also see a green notebook here on the home screen under Recent Documents. You could click through to get to that. Then your blue eye, that's going to be your informal observation, or walkthrough is what many people would call that. Informal observation again here. You could use a form, or you could take notes in here, add documents, etc. And then your orange paper with the check mark on it is your summative evaluation. So essentially what that means in the sense of EvaluWise is it's a place where you can aggregate and gather all the data from your other observations and put them into one place on your professional practice summary, and that's where you would assign your ratings and so forth. So this is going to contain your rubric, and you could assign ratings in there, and then your results and ratings would show a summary of the results and any scoring that you may do. Summative forms, you could place specific forms in there that would apply to your summative observation. Most people use the professional practice summary as their summative because it does pretty much the same thing as most summative forms that people have. Now on the rubrics, a rubric is just going to be your framework. So if you clicked on a rubric, it's going to be your framework where you have your domains, components, whatever you'd like to name. Those are the criteria for your observations. You have to have a rubric loaded in the account, criteria loaded in order to use the software. Over on the Settings tab, you have a Users tab. Just to clarify, users in EvaluWise language would refer to evaluators. These are the people doing the evaluations. This is not where the teacher or person being evaluated would be listed. They would be listed under the Teachers tab. So users are evaluators. Over in the content areas, those are designed to be used to organize your student growth assessments. You can call them whatever you like. Content area isn't any special term. It's just a term for categories of student growth assessments. Then over on schools, you're going to have schools, so you could use these however you want, like your actual schools, or you could put in departments or groups. You'll see when you click on those, you can add groups underneath, so you could put your departments there, or you could just put them in as schools. It just depends on how you want to do things. Then over on the reporting tab, you've got a number of different reports. These could be any type of summary that you want. We can also do custom reports. So reports are going to be generated from all the data that you put in EvaluWise.